In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of files in a Dropbox folder. This is a useful skill to have, especially when you want to find your files quickly. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you like. Once your browser is open, navigate to the search bar. Here, type in Dropbox and hit enter. You will see a list of search results related to Dropbox. This action is crucial because it sets the stage for accessing your files. You want to make sure you find the official Dropbox website where you can log in securely. Next, click on the correct link from the search results. Look for the official Dropbox site, which will typically be at the top of the list. It should look like www.dropbox.com. Clicking the right link is important as it ensures that you'll be directed to the right page without any hassle. Once you click the link, you will be brought to the Dropbox homepage where you can log into your account. Now it's time to log into your Dropbox account. Locate the login fields on the homepage. Enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. After entering your credentials, click the login button. If you entered everything correctly, you should now be logged into your Dropbox account. This step is essential because only logged-in users can access and manage their files. After that, look for the specific folder you want to reorder. You may find this folder on your main Dropbox page or within another folder. Click on the folder to open it. This is where all your files are stored, and it's critical to navigate to the right folder to rearrange the files as you need. Once inside, you will see a list of all the files in that folder. Next, look at the column headers that are right above your list of files. You will see options like name, modified, size, and type. These headers are important because they allow you to sort your files based on different criteria. By paying attention to these headers, you can quickly identify how you want your files organized for better accessibility. Now, click on any of these headers to sort your files by that metric. For instance, if you want to see your files sorted by name, click on the name header. This action triggers a sort operation, arranging your files according to the selected criteria. Sorting your files makes it easier to locate them, ensuring you can find what you need without scrolling through a long list. Here's a quick tip. If you click once on a header, it sorts the files in ascending order. This means your files will be arranged from A to Z or from the oldest to the newest. This sorting method helps you find files faster. If you click that same header a second time, it reverses the order to descending. So your files will now appear from Z to A or from the newest to the oldest. This flexibility in sorting is particularly useful when you are looking for the most recently modified files. With these steps completed, you have successfully changed the order of files in your Dropbox folder. This process not only enhances your organization, but also boosts your efficiency when working with files. You can always return to these steps whenever you need to reorder files again. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find these tips helpful in managing your Dropbox files.